guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve day 9 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I am going to solve problem number 1701, average waiting time. Okay, so LeetCode marked this problem as medium level, but I think that this question should be of easy level. Okay, why I'm saying this, so you guys will know after we read the problem statement and understand few examples. Okay, so now let's read the problem statement first. So there is a restaurant with a single chef and you are given an array customers where customers of I is equal to two values are given to us. One is arrival and one is time. Okay, so what is arrival? So arrival is the arrival time of the ith customer. The arrival times are sorted in increasing order. Okay, so arrival times are already sorted here. Okay, and time is the time needed to prepare the order of the ith customer. Okay, so when a customer arrives, he gives the chef his order and the chef starts preparing it once he is idle. Okay, the customer waits till the chef finishes preparing his order. The chef does not prepare food for more than one customer at a time. The chef prepares food for customers in the order they were given in the input, and in the end we have to just return the average waiting time of all the customers. Okay, so see here, this is example 1. So see, arrival time is already sorted, so that is why you are seeing first 1 and then this 2 and then this is 4. Okay, so this is nothing but my customer number 1, this is my customer number 2, and this is my customer number 3. Okay, so first customer number 1 comes. Okay, so he comes at this time. Okay, 1. Okay, then how much time the chef is going to take to cook the food? So 2. So 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. Okay, the first customer arrives at time 1. Yes, he comes at time 1. The chef takes his order and starts preparing it immediately at time 1. Okay, so from time 1 chef is going to start preparing the food and finishes at time 3. Okay, and he finishes at time 3. Okay, so the waiting time of the first customer is nothing but, so finishes at 3 and this customer arrives at 1, right? So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so 2 is the waiting time for the customer number 1. Okay, so here I am writing 2 as the waiting time for this customer. Okay, then this customer arrives. Okay, so this customers arrives at 2. Okay, arrives at 2, but see, the chef finishes first order at time 3 now. Okay, so chef finishes the first order at time 3 and this customer arrives at 2. Okay, so definitely he is going to start cooking the food for customer number 2 at this time 3. Okay, because here see, the chef doesn't prepare food for more than one customer at a time. Okay, so at 3 he is going to start the food, and how much time he is going to take? 5. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So chef finishes the food for customer 2 at time 8. Okay, and this customer arrives at time 2, right? So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So here I am writing 6. Okay, then this customer arrives. Okay, then this customer arrives. So see, chef finishes the order for customer 2 at time 8 na. So here he is going to start cooking the food for this customer at time 8, and then how much time he is going to take to cook the food for this customer? 3. So 8 plus 3 is nothing but 11, right? So at 11 he finishes the food for customer 3. So how much time this customer 3 is going to wait? So 11 minus arrival time of this customer is 4. So 11 minus 4 is nothing but 7. Okay, so here I am going to write 7 arrival time. Okay, so see here, first customer the waiting time is 2. For the second customer the waiting time is 6, and for the third customer waiting time is 7, right? So this is what we are writing here, right? So in the end, in total there are 3 customers, right? So we have to just do the sum, 2 plus 6 plus 7, and then divide it by 3. Okay, and we are returning our output as 5. Okay, we have to return the answer in double format, so that is why my output is like this, 5.00000, right? So I hope that you guys are clear. Okay, so same way for example 2 here. Okay, one more thing that I want to explain here. So this is my customer 1, this is my customer 2, this is my customer 3, this is my customer 4, right? So first this customer will come now. So this customer is going to come at time 5. Okay, then chef is going to take 2 minutes to prepare the food. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, so 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So 2 is the waiting period for this one. Okay, 2 is the waiting period, and this is nothing but my finish time. Okay, then this customer comes. Okay, then this customer comes. So this customer comes at 5, but previous order chef completed at 7, right? So he's going to start from 7 plus this 4. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11, and 11 minus 5 is nothing but 6. So 6 is the average waiting time. 6 is the waiting time for this customer. Okay, then this customer arrives. Okay, this customer says, so this customer arrives at time 10, but the chef finishes the previous order at 11 now. So he is going to start from 11 now and take 3 more minutes to cook the food. So 11 plus 3 is nothing but 14, and 14 minus 10 is equal to 4. 4 is the waiting time for this one. Okay, now see carefully one more thing here. So this customer arrives at 20. This customer arrives at 20, and the finish time for the previous one is 14. Okay, so he's not going to start from 14 on, right? He's going to start from 20 now, because this customer arrives at 20, and chef can only prepare the food once the customer arrives, right? So from 20 he's going to start. He is going to take 1 minute. So 21. 21 minus 20 is equal to 1 is the waiting time. Okay, so see here, 2, then this 6, then this 4, and then this one. Okay, this one here. Okay, so average waiting time is 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1 divided by total number 4 customers, 3.25. So this is going to be my output. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with the explanation. Okay, and now I think you guys can make the code for this one, right? So first I am going to calculate the number of customers. So simple, int n is equal to customers dot length, right? And in current time, let's take my current time as is equal to 0, and total waiting time initially, so we have to return the answer in double format. So I'm using double variable double, and here I'm writing total waiting time is equal to 0.0. Okay, now I have to iterate over all the customers one by one. So for that I can simply write the for each loop. For int customer over customers. Okay, and here inside that we have given two values now. One is arrival time of the given customer and the time, right? These two values are given to us. So arrival is nothing but customer of 0, right? Customer of 0, right? So two values are there now. This is arrival and this is time. So this is nothing but customer of 0, this is nothing but customer of 1. So here I have to write customer of 1. Okay, that's it. Now one more thing that we need to check. So here see, if my arrival, okay, see for this customer arrival is greater than the previous this start time, then I have to constant my arrival time. Okay, so here I have to write if the arrival, okay, if the arrival value is greater than my current time, then in that case my current time will equal to my arrival time. Current time is equal to arrival. Okay, so this is one condition that we have to write, and otherwise we have to simply write current time. See, every time in this current time, this is my current time. Now in this current time I am just adding these values now. So current time plus time. Okay, so that's what I need to write. And total waiting time, simple sum we have to do. Total waiting time is equal to current time. What is my current time? Okay, so we have to find the average time now. So here what I'm doing, so this 7, and in this 7 I am subtracting this 5 now. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2 is going to give me the total waiting time, right? So current time minus here arrival, that's it. Okay, that's it. And in the end we have to just simply return total waiting time divided by n. Okay, that's it. Now let's run the code. So all the test cases has been accepted, and the time complexity, since we are iterating over all the customers one by one, so it is going to be O of n. Okay, so now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.